Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. This game is going to be played unedited. I will try my best to explain what my thought process is, and if you want more specific tips, of course, I would highly recommend checking out some of these videos here, most specifically the Solitaire Complete Tip Guide, which is like over 35 minutes long and has almost everything I can think of. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started here. And what I'd like to do to start off is go for the columns and then, of course, save cards in the draw pile, the early cards that is, for later for insurance, so I can manipulate the pile. And we only have, I think, one move here, if I see this correctly, and that's the 2 of spades. Now we can move this card right here. That's good. We can move the 6 of hearts as well. Okay, that's about as far as we can go. We could potentially take back one of those moves if we see something here. Oh boy, that's tempting. I really want to play this. I may break rule. No, we don't have a move under that. So, gonna save that Ace of Diamonds as our insurance card, and hopefully we have another move here. Okay, we're gonna start with this Ace of Clubs. Gonna play that, and of course we'll play the 8 of Clubs up there, and we'll see what we can do. Oh, that's a good card. We can open up this column here. And now we have 2 choices. You see the queen, red queen, and the red queen of diamonds. So 2 red queens. We're going to look at both of those options here. That is a 3 of diamonds. That's not necessarily bad. That may be the way we go, because if we move the ace of diamonds, we can move this 3 of diamonds up. The other option, of course, is this queen right here, and that has a king. Oh, that's the better option of the 2. That's why you look at both options. If we'd have just stayed with 1, well, we wouldn't have been able to do as much. But now we have, that's the better of the 2 options, because it allows us to play both queens and gives us 2 kings to move into this spot later on, which we're going to need, because we're going to need to move these cards out of the columns. So going through again, we're saving this as insurance. We will move this probably fairly shortly, though. Oh, 9, queen, 5, can't do that. Can't do that. Can't do anything. Oh boy, we're going to use the insurance card right away. So going to the very start of the draw pile, and we're going to play this ace of diamonds. We're also going to play the deuce of diamonds and the 3 of diamonds. Okay, that 5 is a good card for us. This jack is not a good card for us, but we have 2 different moves with the king. This one has a 10 underneath this. We could play 10, 9. We can play both variations. What I like to do, of course, is look at this variation. If this variation had done nothing, then we'd probably go to this one. But since this variation leaves us an open column, we can play both variations and hopefully get something going here. So we can play that variation, and that's really good. We can open that card up. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. Oh no, we can move the spade up here too. So yeah, we'll see what we can do here. We really need to be able to move this black jack. I don't know if that's going to be possible, though. So this 6 of diamonds is going to be our front card. We can move this king over here next time around, or the time after, depending on what. That black jack we may be able to get to, which could be good for us, because we got to get to one of those black jacks. We'll get to that queen, I think, too, later. We're just going to play the 3 for now, and cycle through again. Again, we're saving. You always want to try to save your early moves as insurance, as the last result, or last resort, just in case. Just in case you can, you want to maximize your moves, basically. Okay, we're going to move this right here, and just go through again here. So jack, and I think the king is the move we want. Let's go back here. Where was that king? Oh, the king was right there. So we're going to play, we'd have to play the 6. I'm going to hold off on that king for now. Let's play this jack. And then let's see how this resets here. So going through again, and alright, we can play this 4 of spades. Now you could play it up top, but there is a better move here. That's to play it right down here and open up this 3 column right here. That opens up this. That's good. And there's a king. That may or may not be good. Let's play that and see. Oh, there was a black queen. There was also the other king too. Okay, we can play this black queen right here. And we can play the jack. Oh, good. 4 diamonds. That opens up a column so we can still play the king. That's up top here somewhere. Going through again. Yeah, the king's right here. We'll play that at a later time. We could... Oh, no. Let's try... Going to play the 8 of spades there. We're, again, trying to play as many cards out of the back of the draw pile as possible. And then work our way to the front eventually. So the 6 of diamonds we're holding off on. And going to go back again here. We're going to use the 6 of diamonds so we can play that king. So 6 of diamonds is going down. And the next sequence should have that king in it. We can also possibly move that 5. Let's go back. No, the 5 was in the... Okay, the 5 will be the next move. The black 5, that is. So we're going to play the king. And, yeah, we'll go through again here. We can play this card. We can play the queen. We can't move the jack, but we can move some other cards. Let's see, the 5 of diamonds go up top. The 6 of diamonds can go up top. We would like to be able to move... Oh, the 4 of spades is holding us up. That's not good. We need to be able to move one of these columns up. I don't know. There may be a different route to that. 6 of clubs up there. There was a 10, 10, and a 5. Okay, that's not working there. Alright, it's telling us we have no more moves, which is not entirely true. This 3 of hearts is holding up the spade. This 4 of spades going up top. This 4 of hearts is doing the same thing. It's holding the 5 of spades from going up top. Because if we could do that, we could move the 6 of spades and the 7 of spades up top, and we may be able to solve this. Alternatively, we could have played that way. I still think there's no more moves here. Yep, there's no more moves here. So we are going to go back to where the 3 of hearts and 4 of hearts came from. And if they came from the straw pile, we're going to keep playing. If they didn't, you will never see this video. So let's go back. Need the 4 of hearts and the 3 of hearts. Again, these low cards can bottleneck sometimes. They came from right here. We're going to see if we can play a different sequence, I think. We're going to see if we can play this from a different sequence, and maybe we can, maybe we can't. So we're going to play the 4 of spades up top. We're going to play the 5 of spades up top. We'll see what we can do here. So 5 of clubs we will play. And oh, we needed 2 6s, didn't we? So 6 of diamonds was our insurance. We obviously cannot play the 2 of hearts. And let's go back there. Going to play the 6, and then the king will come down. So the king comes down here. Oh, that's really good for us. That allows us to move the 10 and the jack, I believe. I might have missed that move last time. Now we can do the 9. And more importantly, we can move that 8 there. We can move the 4 of clubs up top, the 5 of clubs up top. But the question is, I think diamonds, did we have enough diamonds to move up top? So we can move the queen and then the jack. Oh, there's the 4 of diamonds. We need to be able to move this 5 of diamonds up top. Or do we? Let's see what we have here. 6 of clubs can go up top. Let's backtrack. Okay, the 5 of diamonds can go up top. And I think we're going to have to open up this anyway at some point. It was the 6, right? Okay. Let's see. That is not there. So there's no moves there. We're going to have to open up... Because we can't... We need... Oh boy. Let's see here. So that goes back. We're going to play this 5 of spades back. And this 4 of spades back. And then we'll play the 3. And the 4 of hearts there. Again, that was a king. But there was a 9 underneath that. That 9, I think, is going to hold us up. You can play 8-7. You could play the queen. We can't really play... Well, let's see. I think those are the only 3 cards there. Let's go back. We could put this down, and then I don't think we can get... If we can get up to the 9 of diamonds, there is a red 9 here. If we can get up to the 9 of diamonds, I think we have this solved. I don't know. I guess we're just going to play it and see. We got 2-7. Okay, so we're going to play the 6 of diamonds right here. We're going to play the 7 of clubs. We're going to do that by moving the 6 of hearts right here. I'm going to move the 7 of clubs up top. Now we need to be able to move the 8. Oh no, we can open up this pile right here. So we're going to open up that pile right there. That's 8 of diamonds. Okay, that's the card I think we need here. And to get there, I think you can see the path. You may or may not be able to see the path, but you're going to see it shortly. We will solve this. So 6 of spades goes right here. It allows us to move the 7 of diamonds up, the 8 of diamonds up. We can also move the 8 of clubs up top. And what does that do? Well, that opens up this 9 of diamonds. All we need to do, of course, is move the 8 of spades over here. 9 of diamonds up top. Great card for us. 10 of diamonds. Do we want to go up top or do we want to go down below? I'm going to put it down below for now. Oh, that is a perfect card right there. That's going to, yeah, we've solved this. It's over. Hopefully that sequence at the end was very helpful for you to learn how to do this. Yeah, these are the tougher games where you get to the end like this and they're just... You're almost out of moves, but you got to think on another level to be able to solve these. Or you can always let them go, but it's more fun being able to solve these. And I would just like to thank you for sticking around and watching the entire video. And, of course, wish you good luck.